Hello everyone, welcome to Life Around Science and to the second video of opportunities in physics. A quick recap. We have started this series of videos where we share information that reach students of eminent institutes like IIT Mumbai, Ayuga, so that everyone can benefit from it. So uh, also we will be the series is based on response. So as we said in the first video, we'll make 2 to 3 videos of this kind, and we'll continue doing so depending on the response we get in the comments. Regarding the first video, we got quite a few comments for the video, and I also got some personal messages saying that they really like it, and also there were a lot of quite a few likes to the video. So I would urge everyone to also comment so that we know that people not just like it, but it is actually useful to everyone. So let's get started with today's updates. So the first update is of LIGO India. LIGO stands for Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory, which is an observatory sensitive to gravitational waves. The recent developments have been that they're planning to shift this one of the observatory to India, and this project is called LIGO India. This is a page regarding the public outreach of LIGO India. So what they've started here is they've started talks on LIGO, gravitational wave observatory, and LIGO specifically. It started 3 weeks ago, and they're posting 3 lectures per week, and as you can see, these are all given by eminent scientists. The reason they're doing public outreach is because gravitational wave astronomy is a new window that has been opened to astronomers, and there's a serious dearth of people working in it, and they're trying to expand their community. So you will find many astronomy professionals right now working on gravitational waves or inclined towards gravitational waves. So anything regarding gravitational wave, if you're thinking, it's a very good opportunity for you to grab, as it is going to grow ahead. As once the project comes to India, they're going to need a lot of people who specialize in gravitational waves. So it's a career that you can think of. So you can go to their YouTube page and you can start streaming it from the beginning. This covers all you need to know about gravitational waves. These are given by eminent scientists, and they're still uploading more talks. Okay, let's go to the second update. This is Growth India. This is also related to Kritika Club, which I explained in the first video, the astronomy club in IIT Bombay. So growth stands for Global Relay of Observatories Watching Transients Happen. So it's a global collaboration which focuses on transients. Transients are events that happen in our cosmos for a very short time for us to capture. So what this concept is, that there is a global relay of observatories which will work in tandem so that we don't miss them. And the observatory which operates in India is called Growth India, and it is situated in Hanle, Ladakh. You can see here. So what this opportunity is, that you have the opportunity of making this telescope work for you for some time. So as I read out here, this opportunity for you to do some observing using this telescope. So what you have to do is you just have to provide an email, your name. You have to specify which target you want to observe using this telescope, and you have to write a serious statement of purpose, saying why you want to observe it. So they have given some specifications of the telescope, which will help you decide which object you want to look. And what they'll do, if your proposal gets accepted, this telescope will be pointing to that object for you, and they'll be taking the data, processing the image, and sending you the image for post processing. the question comes to mind, how do we do the post processing? So so this part will be addressed in the astronomy Python for astronomy tutorials which are going on in Kritika Club. As I mentioned in the first video, if you haven't seen the first video, you can look it up. You can see the iCard above, which links you to it. So they'll be covering the procedure of how to post process an image, and the top images will be, after post processing, will be published here on Growth India website. As you can see, these are the first light images of the Growth India telescope. First light images are the first images of the first objects that the telescope opened its eyes to. So you have a chance of having your image uploaded right here and having an image of a celestial object for your own using such a good facility. Okay, so next update is IIT Bombay Physics Department has turned to internet for their seminars. So professors from IIT Bombay will be giving seminars and going live on YouTube. So the next scheduled talk is on 29th April, tomorrow, and it is based on many body quantum control on NISQ devices, which is noisy intermediate scale quantum devices. This seminar will be given by Professor Sai Vinjanampathi, who specializes in quantum information and computation in quantum control theory. This will be live on 29th, 4:30 p.m. So you can attend the seminar. There is a comment section which they have provided, so you can ask the questions in the comment itself, and they plan to answer them in the seminar itself. So okay, so let me read out the abstract. So we often require a particular quantum state for our quantum device. So, and we have particular control measures like time dependent magnetic fields. So in order to produce that particular quantum state, we need to give pulses of these controlled resources that we have, so as to produce in a sequence, so as to produce that particular quantum state. And quantum control theory is the theory that answers to how to design this optimal pulse sequence. So he will be briefly discussing regarding the current state of art on designing these pulse sequences, and he will also discuss the problems of designing control sequences for many body quantum systems on an NISQ device. The recent quantum computer prototypes by Google and IBM are examples of NISQ. So you can attend this seminar. So that's it for today. If you like this series, please share it with your friends who might benefit from it, and let us know in the comments below how you find it. And that's all for today. Thank you.